To install the base, locate the side with the spring and push it onto the pin of the trunnion. Then tighten the trunnion bolt to hold the CGS support firmly in place. Set the conductor in the CGS support. Use a universal bolt holder to hold one of the captive bolts and place the keeper on the base so that the bolts are aligned with the bolt holes. Alternate tightening the two bolts so that the keeper remains flat on the conductor. Once the bolts are snugged, torque them down to the recommended torque value using a torque wrench.